The police are after the thief. The police are after the thief. The train will reach after time. The train will reach after time. The song is there in your laptop. The song is there in your laptop. He denied me thrice, but I am still after him. He denied me thrice, but I am still after him. Now I am standing before you. Now I am standing before you. Pour the coffee into the cup. Pour the coffee into the cup. I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. I will meet you after 10. I will meet you after 10. I work in a bank. I work in a bank. I will come after you leave. I will come after you leave. I will come before you leave. I will come before you leave. I will leave by 6 o'clock. I will leave by 6 o'clock. I was born in March. I was born in March. I was going to gym by bike. I was going to gym by bike. I was stopped by someone. I was stopped by someone. I saw this photograph in a news channel. I saw this photograph in a news channel. I traveled by train. I traveled by train. I was after my professor. I was after my professor. I left the company in June 2016. I left the company in June 2016. I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai. I reached after them. I reached after them. She will study in Japan. She will study in Japan. I found no songs in my laptop. I found no songs in my laptop. I go to gym by 6 p.m. I go to gym by 6 p.m. He was standing before me. He was standing before me. She is standing in front of me. She is standing in front of me. He will come home in 2021. He will come home in 2021. He met John after 11. He met John after 11. He was scolded by his father. He was scolded by his father. He was sitting before his mother. He was sitting before his mother. He can't stand in front of me. He can't stand in front of me. He is coming by afternoon flight. He is coming by afternoon flight. She is going into the office. She is going into the office. He will leave in half an hour. He will leave in half an hour. He can be sent by his uncle. He can be sent by his uncle. He can't stand before me. He can't stand before me. How long will you take to reach there? How long will you take to reach there? I am very happy with you. I am very happy with you. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. Lisa was a good girl. Lisa was a good girl. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.